Hello everyone. So from time to time, I guess once in a month, at least once in a month, I have to deal with images. Now, just to give you some background or talking about the use case, let us say you have taken pictures from your mobile phone or maybe a camera and you transfer it to your computer, and for some reason you have to do the same edit on all of those images. And of course you can't really, I'm not really talking about editing the actual images like image manipulation. I'm talking about, let us say, doing a crop or reducing the file size by reducing the quality of the image, of course. And also the most common bulk update that I need to do is to resize the image, like changing the resolution. And of course, I don't really do it manually. You can always write a script, and I have different scripts for doing this. But using ffmpeg, you can also resize the images, and it works wonderfully well, and it is quite fast. It happens like within few. I mean, depends. It depends on the number of images and also the image size, but it is quite quick. Now, the way it works, what I do, I have this script called reduce image, and in this script I have a way where basically I go to the directory where let us say I have my images, like big images. I run the script will do a few things, like it will create this directory called processed or whatever, and it will of course go through all the images in the directory, and then it will run this simple ffmpeg command, and all this command is doing, it is resizing it. And as long as the images are of the same size, this will work. Of course, this will not really work if the size is different. I mean, it will still work, but it can fail because the script can sometimes, it can go out of bound. And there are things that you can do with the script. You can actually modify the script, and you can do some, like not some, but little bit of calculation, like to understand. And you can also write the script with some conditions. But what I'm trying to share is that if you want to do something very simple, like changing the resolution or scaling the images down or resizing it, then use a shell script. And what I normally do, because I have this shell script, and all of my shell scripts are in my local bin, so that I can access them from anywhere. I thought I'll just share it with everyone because I've seen people purchasing softwares, paid softwares, or maybe using some softwares like freewares, and even then they are struggling to do it. I guess if you're not really, or if you're willing to try little bit of command line, I'm not really saying that you should learn each and everything, but I think a little bit of command line knowledge, skill is definitely useful. When I started learning computers, like in 90s, of course we had like UI based operating system, but command line was basically one of the first things that we used to learn. And I guess it is important. I think these days we don't really teach kids how to interact with your computer using command line. We just open our Mac or Windows and we start using it. So I thought I'll probably share it with all of you. If you're able to do something with a command using command line utilities, then you can also automate it. You can also do it in bulk using a shell script. All right, simple video, short video, but hopefully I have given you some ideas and tips. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.